We called it. Kaspa once again breaking out. Is all-time highs coming very soon. The Kaspa momentum is real and it is building with every hour that goes by. We're going to break down some even more bullish news that's come out of Kaspa that as of yet no one else has broke. So definitely hit that like and subscribe button and let's get right into this one. So welcome back everybody. As always, don't forget to turn the notification bell on. Click that button and make sure you're selecting all so you don't miss a live stream or a daily video update. But I want to talk again a bit about Kaspa. It has been on an absolute rampage. There's only GameStop that seems like it's doing the work. 68.9 is the current price of Bitcoin, but you will notice now the 26th highest ranked cryptocurrency is Kaspa, up 20% on the day and 22.61% on the week. It actually is the biggest earner in the top 100 today. Again, looking at here, 257% up on volume, 20% up on the price, currently a $4.1 billion market cap. So the big question is, what's going on? Why are we seeing this massive run? Well, Kaspa has continually been building behind the scenes. We've seen huge adoption coming. We've seen advancements in their technology. At the same time, we are seeing KRC20s come in. And don't forget, Kaspa is on pretty much every exchange out there when it comes to, you know, listings. BingX, BitGet, MEXC, Get.io, KuCoin. You will notice one or two big players missing, which would be Binance and Coinbase. And that's a little bit about what I want to talk about. So two big tier ones. The biggest argument is those two exchanges that could well be coming very, very soon. But we know there is a significant momentum move with Kaspa. We'll take a look at the chart specifically in just a minute. But I want to talk a little bit about this. Jonathan Samplonsinski, one of the ultimate people behind this, he is doing another meetup. And this is why I think Kaspa has a very, very bright future and why we are seeing such significant moves, because there is such a desire, not only just from the people working and building on it, but the community and everybody else. So he is absolutely holding a seminar, a discussion, however you want to call it, talking specifically about Oracle problems and Kaspa and how Kaspa is going to solve the plaguing DeFi problems of that Oracle problem. So big news again coming out there, but that isn't the biggest. The biggest one is this. Now, a lot of people would say, okay, it's a little bit of a meetup, and shout out to T Nomad here. Said had a speech with Rachel Conlon. She is the Global Chief Marketing Officer at Binance about Kaspa currency at Binance Astana Super Meetup in Kazakhstan. So here's the official Binance meetup. And then here is T Nomad speaking specifically about getting the information out. This is why there is such an excitement when it comes to Kaspa. And you may have felt a shift more recently in Kaspa, and the narrative is now starting to ramp up. We're seeing bigger and better miners hitting the network. We're seeing bigger and better mining companies wanting to get involved. And more importantly, we're seeing significant growth, not only just in the price, but in the community that sits behind it. All very, very exciting. Lots of people giving their price predictions. But again, here, the major one we're looking at now, 18,375, the upper resistance level. We've smashed through so many of these lower support levels and on our way up to 1835. And I think that could come pretty soon if the momentum continues. And you can always tell a shift in a token's direction when you start seeing loads of YouTube videos popping up. I mean, fairness, we covered it yesterday. We're covering it again today. Why? Because there is a lot of money to be had when it comes to Kaspa. Now, for many of you that have been here on the channel, we actually mine Kaspa. We've been mining Kaspa now for quite some time with some KS0 miners that we have. And again, we continue to do so, which I always think is worthwhile, stacking it for that big bull run. Here's some of the data that we've got. 200 gigahashes, currently rating $1.8 a day, and our total mines at the minute, 1,322. So we're not a million miles away from the ROI on our miners, and then they are just going to be mining for free and earning us our Kaspa. We actually are stacking this. We're looking to increase our mining operation by some of the new KS miners that are absolutely profiting huge amounts. I've actually seen KS15s running about $50 a day, which is insane. And don't forget, these will scale as the price continues to push up. So there is tons of exciting things going on with Kaspa. And all you have to do is look at this price. This big candle here on the day, 2 solid days. If you think today that's 20% move that continues to push. Now, 18,953.4 is what we're looking at as a potential break above. But as Bitcoin's rallying, Kaspa is absolutely doing the same. And this just looks like it's going to continue to push to the upside. MACD, we talked about yesterday, looking for that reversal, and that's exactly what we got. So congratulations if you watched my video and you bought Kaspa yesterday. Well done. You've made some significant gains, as have many in the community, reporting over 1,000% gains in some cases on some of this play. So Kaspa finally waking up, finally starting its cent. Could be 50 cents very soon. Lots of people, though, incredibly bullish on where Kaspa is going to go. We could see $1, $5, $10. Who knows? Let me know in the comments down below. What's your price prediction with Kaspa? And I guess the question on everyone's mind is what happens tomorrow. In my opinion, it wouldn't surprise me if Kaspa doesn't continue to send just like Jasmy did and just like we've seen with another few of the coins. I think Kaspa is set for some pretty big things. We could see 18, 19, potentially even 20 cents this week. All depends on the market and all depends on whether people truly are wanting to get into this project. But let me know, as always, in the comments down below, what's your view? What's your price prediction for Kaspa this week? And if you want to stay up to date and you want to see more Kaspa videos, all you got to do, hit that like button, turn the notification bell on and subscribe to the channel. And I will, as always, see you in the next video. Take care.